just open your eyes. No, I'm not alone. Is it alright if all these words don't mean nothing at all? Hey, stand up! Big it up for Big Dog right over there behind the kid.